Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use motion tracking feature on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC and I have imported my video to this CapCut project. And for example, we're going to track this girl in the video. Then if we want to track an object, we can use a sticker, emoji, tags, or maybe an image, and it's up to you. And I'm gonna go with sticker. I'm going to track this girl with sticker. I'm gonna choose this one, so we can just tap on this plus button. Then I'm going to extend the sticker. I'm going to make it align with the video. Then I'm going to adjust the sticker first. Okay, I'm going to place it right here. Then if you want to track an object on your video with motion tracking, you can simply tap on tracking right here. And you just need to click on motion track. Then here you can track the object. You can place this yellow box to the object you want to track. And since we want to track this girl, I'm going to place it on the girl. We can also adjust the size of the box like this. Okay. You can also rotate the box like this. And here you can select the direction. You can also adjust the scale and distance. And I'm just going to disable this option. Then we're going to click on start to start tracking the object. And you have to wait until the process has completed. And let the CapCut do the tracking. Alright guys, and now the tracking is completed, and I'm going to play the video to show you the final result. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can use motion tracking feature in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.